What's up, everybody? It's Jake here. I got another shipment from Lordhair. I'm super excited about this hairpiece. I'm going to show you guys what it's like to unbox one of these. Obviously, taking off the packaging. Look at that box. Wow, that is beautiful. This is the one thing that I love about Lordhair, is that their packaging is just absolutely gorgeous every single time. So, open the lid up, and it says, "Hello, new." And then this is what it's gonna look like inside the box, alright? It's beautifully packaged. I'm gonna take off this. And it shows you right here exactly which one you ordered. This is the Neo. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to take out the netting and what it looks like on the inside, of course. And I got hair color number 22. It's gonna be the blondest color that they offer, other than, of course, like platinum white. With that, you can tell I like my hair to be very, very blonde and very platinum. But I did not want to get the white because that is for me personally, it's a synthetic. I don't know, I just really wasn't feeling like messing with synthetic hair. And then, so once you take off the bag, okay, here. Once you take the bag off, what you're gonna see is you got your hair sitting on this. Oh man, okay. Bloopers. Okay. One more time. One more time. One more time. Okay. So once you take off the plastic bag that's going to be on the toupee, you're going to see that the hair is on this little plastic cap right here. Take off the netting carefully. Woo. I have to apologize for my messiness. I'm losing motor control of my hands right now because of a nerve problem I have in my neck. So it's a little fun. My handling might be a little bit messy, but that's that. Anyways, so comes with this plastic cap. And then this is the hairpiece. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit more. I really wanna. This is what it looks like. This is real human hair. Okay. Everything about this, real human hair. I love this. It is so soft. This is so soft. So on the inside of the cap, the Neo model right here, it's a lace and polyskin hybrid. So on the outside we have polyskin. Sorry, it's tracking my face. On the outside we have, okay, one more time. On the outside we have polyskin, and then right here we got the lace. So lace is good for breathability, and you can see there's also lace right up here on the edge. And then basically I wanted the polyskin around the perimeter. The tape is a little hard for me. I'm losing like motor control in my hands because I have a nerve problem. So glue has been my best friend. I use the Walker tape brand, the like extreme Walker tape. It'll hold up for like 2 weeks for me personally. I live in Michigan. It's super humid. I'm a very sweaty person. I work out a lot, so that's why I went with the lace model. Everything that you get hair-wise, it really depends on you and your lifestyle and where you live and A, B, C, and D. I'm gonna make a video soon about showing you guys how to pick out a hairpiece and like, you know, what goes with it. Other than that, so I got this one custom cut. And the great thing about Lordhair is that you can tell them this is the size of my head. this is the haircut that I want. You send them some pictures and they will make it all for you. Thing is, it's great, and especially with the lace, the excess lace on the rim right here. Let me just zoom this in. So there's no excess lace, and they will cut it right to the hairline, which is awesome because you don't want any lace on your hairline, especially, you know, if you have a push back look, because what's gonna happen is that it might wrinkle. I've had issues with that, especially with push back looks. Sorry, that's my cat playing with the wind chimes right now. Can you not? Thank you. Okay, we're waiting. Thank you. That was so nice. Okay. And then the other things that we have in the box, we have, and this is probably my favorite thing that Lordhair does. So, comes with this. This is a little aftercare product manual. It's a little poster about how to care for your hair system. And this thing is awesome because even with, if you're an experienced person, maybe like me, I've been only wearing hair pieces for about 4 months, four or 5 months right now. But it's really nice to have something like this. Oh my God. Brother, hello? Trying to make a video, dude. Oh my God. I don't get to see the cats. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is awesome because it'll just tell you exactly like how to prepare the hair system, prepare your scalp. You got how to apply tape, attaching the system, removal tips, maintenance tips, how to clean the base. You got just everything, things that they don't recommend doing because a lot of people do make mistakes and they end up, you know, ruining their hair system about 4 months in, 3-4 months, maybe even weeks, you know, and then these are expensive. So, sorry, I had to stop my cat. These are expensive, and you don't want to destroy this because it's an investment. I mean, you know, they give you upwards of $300, $350. So you gotta treat it like a baby, and I love that they give you a little, you know, how to treat your baby instructions. So that's that. I love Lordhair. I love how they do this, and they send these beautiful boxes and these care manuals, and just these systems have been awesome. They have been great. I have had no issues whatsoever. And with that being said, I'm actually going to show you guys, we're going to tone this system to this color. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that later on. And yeah, stay tuned.